Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Closing Comments here on August 26th. Let's jump right into our charts and see what happened in the markets today. First up with our October live cattle, we did see this cattle market post some steady gains on the day. Pretty quiet day though compared to the ranges we've been seeing recently, with this October contract only trading in a $1.75 range. But nice steady upside nonetheless by the bulls, continuing to push this market higher. We did see a brief poke up there above that prior all-time high, printing a new one at 238.52. Market finishing the day right there at that pivot point for the week. So bulls definitely have the momentum here at the moment, with the good supportive action we saw yesterday rallying into the close, and then nice steady gains here today. So be looking for those bulls to keep on pushing above this bull pivot here as we head into tomorrow's session. We did just have nice steady gains so far this week after that pretty nasty open we saw yesterday, but a pretty steady rally here that we've been seeing. Pretty good amount of volume getting built up here right above that 238 level, so plenty of pressure here at the moment. So early bids above 238.52 tomorrow could see us slingshot right up there into the 240s. So look for that upside to continue as this big picture uptrend just keeps on rolling in this cattle market. Over to the October feeders now. Another tight range day here, only a little over $3 range in this feeder market, which is a pretty tight range compared to what we've been seeing recently. But like those fats, continued upside here today, trading above that prior day high, and just nice steady gains on the day. Getting there above about a buck above that bull pivot for the week, and printing a new all-time high up there at 364.52 on this October contract. So bulls just keep on pushing here at the moment. Like the October fats, we are seeing a pretty good amount of volume getting built up here into the close today. So continued bids above 364.5 tomorrow should see this market keep on rolling, and the bulls continue to push this market higher. Look for more all-time highs to come, as this market should keep on cruising throughout the rest of the week. Over to the December corn futures now. After last week's relief rally, we did see this market kind of balance out Friday and have a nice rejection up there near that 50-day moving average during yesterday's session. Really good signal here, probing above that prior supply zone, and seeing some resistance up there near that 50-day moving average was a perfect sign for the bears to turn this thing back around. Good follow through to the downside here today. No big ranges here either, but good downside. Retesting the midpoint of yesterday's range and having a good selling pressure. Finishing the day down here below our bear pivot. Bears definitely in control here at the moment. Pretty good selling pressure here on heavier than average volume today. Look for this downside momentum to carry into tomorrow's session, and breaks below this 20-day moving average should pick up the selling pressure, and we should see this downside start to pick up here as this market starts heading back down there towards contract lows. Crude oil prices also seeing some resistance at that 50-day moving average yesterday, and a nice rejection today. We did see prices just selling right off all day long, pushing down there and getting a close below that prior day low, hanging out right here at our bear pivot for the week. As we start to trade below that, we do expect to see this nice slow grind lower continue, as this market will start pushing down towards the $60 mark. Look for the selling pressure we saw today to bleed over into tomorrow's session, and look for the bears to keep on pushing this thing lower in a nice low volatility downtrend. Equity markets snapping back today after yesterday's digestion. We did see last Friday have a pretty nice rally here across each of these indexes. Monday's action just kind of digesting some of that recent move, pulling back into that Friday's range a little bit. Overnight, we did get a little bit of a news break with the news situation revolving around the Fed and President Trump. A little bit of a shakeout there, but good opportunity for the bulls to step in and buy this thing. Really strong market here still remaining. Good opportunities all over the market. Be looking in those individual names, lots of good strength all down the list. Each of our indexes picking up pretty steady gains here today. Look for this uptrend to keep on rolling. New all-time highs should be coming soon here in the S&P, and look for that NASDAQ index to start heading back up towards those all-time highs as well. Good rally back above that 20-day moving average today in the NASDAQ. Dow was probably the weakest of the bunch today, but good supportive action at our pivot point, our breakout point, that 45,200 mark. Good support in all the right areas across each of these indexes. Look for this upside to continue throughout the rest of the week. That's all we got for tonight. Everyone have a good evening.